locked in a deal on a Sportster, 1200 for the go-kart. On my way to pick it up, we're like 2 hours away. It's on the border of Missouri and Illinois. Hour 30 drive till we pick up the bike. It's been dropped. It's been crashed. Hope not too much damage. He said the shifter broke off, so I'm hoping it's not too bad. Hey, we're in the city of Alton right now. We're about to complete step 2, getting the heart of the go-kart, which is going to be a 1200cc HarleyDavidson Sportster engine. This thing's going to have like probably 70 horsepower. It's got cams on it, has an exhaust, which we're probably not going to take anyway. Here's the bike. Decent. Alright, this is the second stop for gas. Got the bike. Here it is. The Sportster is coming home. This thing got smoked. I think the guy said he rolled it, crashed it while going 60, and decided to sell it. So that's the story behind the Sportster. I don't know when the engine's gonna get inside the go-kart, but it's gonna be a lot of welding. In the middle of nowhere, so windy. Like my whole van is like flying across the highway. This is Illinois. Just nothing but flat open land. Bike's at the shop nicely. Not bad. I want to get your reaction, bro. What do you think about the project?
The project? We're missing 2 wheels.
This motherfucker. Check this bitch out, boy. It's a sports. It's a 1200cc V-twin up there. Harley.
You guys have plans of putting this in the go-kart?
Fuck yeah.
It's the size of the fucking go-kart.
I know. It's fucking huge, dude. But we'll see.
Fab work ahead of me.
Fab work?
Here's our welder. He's going to quit on day 1.
No, it's like I was talking about 6'3",